Hello viewer, I'm Vivas Malik and in this video I'll show you how you can get LinkedIn ads credit in a free. Here you can see I had already get $100 credit. Here you can see thanks for listening our podcast. Use this $100 LinkedIn ads credit to reach your target audience and another ad credit of 9,500 INR. I will give you a method how you can get LinkedIn free credit. Here you can see I had already created a video about LinkedIn credit. Just go to my YouTube channel and search LinkedIn. Here you can see I have created a video about how you can get $150 free credit for everyone. In that video I had discussed about detailed how you can get and how you can use also. So I will suggest you to please watch that video first for detailed theoretical part. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Let's start the tutorial. I will give you all these three links. This is the first link of 9,500 INR free in a free ad credit link. I will give this link on this video description, and the second link is for $50 credit. Here you can see $50 power of your B2B marketing on LinkedIn with $50 in a free ad credit. And the third one is $100. Here you can see also launch your first campaign with $100 with us. Let me zoom in to show you clearly. Just you need to copy your email address. For this video I made using my this Gmail address. You can also use your email address which is registered on a LinkedIn. Simply go to here and paste here your email address and click on this claim my $100 credit. Here you can see this is the next page. Thank you for your request. Your ad credit will be arrive within the next business day. It will take 24 hour to 48 hour to receive you. And the second one, let's apply this. Paste here your LinkedIn account linked email address and then click on submit button. Here you can see on notification we have received your request, and keep an eye on your email inbox as your ad credit should be arrive within the next day. Don't forget to check your another folder or labels. Sometimes it come in your spam folder also. And this is the 9,500 credit. Paste here and click on claim my credit. Thank you for your request. Your ad credit will arrive within the next 3 business days. So you need to wait after apply 48 hour to 24 hour, and you will receive a ad credit like how I get. Here you can see this is the $100 and this one is 9,500 INR. And I will suggest you to only use your ad credit on a secondary account, not a primary account, and your LinkedIn account will be must be 30 days old to run successfully ad campaign. And if you find this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. I will provide all the 3 links on my blog website. Here is my blog website, and just visit my blog website. You will get all the 3 apply link where you can apply for free ad credit on LinkedIn. And if you need anything Grammarly Premium or Microsoft Office 365 or Prime Video or Canva Premium or GitHub Student Developer Pack, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. And here you can see I got a community guidelines strike, so I did not upload much video in these days. And if you need anything from this, you can contact me. Windows Key or Office 365, Grammarly Premium for 1 year or 6 months, 3 months, anything. Or if you need WordPress any theme like GeneratePress, Divi, Genius, newspaper or Jana, ClickMag, then I will provide you GPL version in a cheap price, or these are the plugin also available. Simply contact me on Instagram, I will provide you in a cheap price. If you are still watching this video, then thank you for watching video. Let's see you in my next video.